Hello everyone, in this video we will be exploring the sequence data types in Python. Next we will unravel the mysteries of dictionaries, a versatile and powerful data structure in Python. Dictionaries provide a way to store and organize data using key value pairs. We will now be exploring dictionaries in detail, covering their properties, operations and various methods available for processing them. Dictionaries are unordered collection of items where each item consists of a key value pair. The keys are unique and serve as identifiers for associated values. To create a dictionary, enclose the key value pair within the curly braces. Let's look at an example. So let's go back to our VS Code and let's start with, let us say, my dict, and let us assign it as name as one of the key, and let us equate to, let us say, John. And then let us say we have got one more key by the age, and let us equate it to give that as 25, and let us say city as another key, and let us assign it to, let us say, New York. Let us print it out. So let us save it, let us run the code, and it shows the dictionary as we have given it. Next, the dictionaries are dynamic and mutable, allowing you to add, modify or remove the key value pairs after creation. This flexibility makes dictionaries suitable for a wide range of applications. Dictionaries support various operations including accessing values, adding or updating key value pairs and deleting the items. Now in the same program, I want a particular value, let us say print, and I'm going to just call my dictionary, and in that I want to get the value of the key name. So let us save it and let us try to run the code, and it gives us John. Next we can also update the dictionary. Let us say my dict, and let us say update by using another key. Let us say occupation, and let us equate that to as engineer. And now if I print my dict, save it and let us run the code, now it shows key value pair, that is occupation and engineer, have been added to the same dictionary. Also we can delete some of the items if we don't want, so I can use the del function, which is then my dict, and in that I want to delete, let us say, age. So if I print it out, run the code, and as we can see, the age has been removed from the output. Now let us explore some more methods specifically designed for processing the dictionaries. So one of the method is keys. So let us say we can remove all this stuff, and let's start with just a key list, and let's equate it to list, and let us call my dict, and in that I can just call keys. Now if I print, let us say key list, and if I save it, if I run the code, it is going to list all the keys. So the keys now left are the name, age and city. Then next, let us say we can also make the values list. Let us equate it to list, and in that my dict, and from that dot values. Let's print it out. So let us save it, let us run the code. So John, 25 and New York, that is the list of values. Now we can also print, let us just call it as items list, and let us just equate it to list my dict dot items. Let's close the bracket and let's print it out. Let us save it and let us run the code. So it is going to create a list of all the key value pairs.